Have you ever wondered why all are trying to go to Mars? Why do we want to inhabit Mars and recreate Earth-like atmosphere there? Why not just redirect those ideas and motivation towards Earth, our own planet, and revive it? It is Earth that needs our help to replenish itself, so that it can support the human race for centuries to come. Why not save it first? So the prime question here is, colonize Mars, or save Earth? Hello wonderful peoples, I am Daisy, and you are watching Wings of Cosmos. Establishing a permanent human colony on Mars is not an option, it's necessity. And that brings us to the reason number one is, the survival of the human species. The only home humans have ever known is Earth. But history shows that surviving as a species on this tiny blue dot, in the vacuum of space is tough, and by no means guaranteed. The dinosaurs are a classic example. They roamed the planet for 165 million years, but the only trace of them today are their fossilized remains. A colossal asteroid wiped them out. Putting humans on more than one planet would better ensure our existence, thousands if not millions of years from now. Ever thought? What would happen if we never set sail on the vast sea of unknown and search for new land? And if humans were afraid of challenges, we would still be living in caves. Make no mistake, getting to Mars is probably the biggest challenge humanity has ever faced. Most of us probably can't even grasp the technical leaps required to colonize a whole other celestial body. Colonizing Mars will lead us to new innovations and technology. Only by pushing mankind to its limits, to the bottoms of the ocean and into space, will we make discoveries in science and technology that can be adapted to improve life on Earth. During its first 3 years in space, NASA's prized Hubble Space Telescope snapped blurry pictures, because of a flaw in its engineering. The problem was fixed in 1993, but to try to make use of the blurry images, during those initial years, astronomers developed a computer algorithm, to better extract information from the images. It turns out the algorithm was eventually shared with the medical doctors, who applied it to the X-ray images he was taking to detect breast cancer. The algorithm did a better job at detecting early stages of breast cancer than the conventional method, which at the time was the naked eye. You can't script that, that happens all the time, this cross-pollination of fields, innovation in one, stimulating revolutionary changes in another. It's impossible to predict how cutting-edge technologies used to develop manned missions to Mars and habitats on Mars will benefit other fields, like medicine or agriculture. But we'll figure that out only by pushing humankind to its limits and boldly going where we've never been before. Another reason we should go to Mars is to inspire the next generation of space explorers. Yes, if it galvanizes an entire generation of students, in the educational pipeline, to want to become scientists, engineers, technologists, and mathematicians. The next generation of astronauts to land on Mars are in middle school now. Humanity's aspirations to explore space are what drive us toward more advanced technological innovations that will undoubtedly benefit mankind in one way or another. Space is like a proxy for a lot of what else goes on in society, including your urge to innovate. There's nothing that drives ambitions the way NASA does. Stop and think about the future for a minute. No, we don't mean 5 years from now. We don't even mean 50 years from now. We mean hundreds, if not thousands, of years from now. We mean a span of time as great as that separating you from Jesus or Julius Caesar. What do you see happening to our species when all that time has passed? Where are we? One cynical answer might be, dead. Wiped out by war or disease or a marauding AI. But move away from the worst case scenario, and a clearer picture likely emerges. Of humanity, spread out among the stars. of colonies on Titan and Ganymede, of cities in space, of exploration beyond the edges of the Oort cloud, out into the depths of our galaxy. Imagine a future where we have the space and minerals for everyone. You could even call it our destiny. And all these could be start from colonizing Mars. Mars is the ideal place for becoming the gateway of the inner and outer solar system. And for Earth, there is 7 billion people to help Earth. Don't ask others to help Mother Earth, do it on your own. Let's promise one thing, that from this moment we won't throw plastic here and there. It will help Mother Earth to heal itself. If you like this video, kindly share it with your friends and family, and give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for future updates. And as always, thanks for watching. God bless you all.